So they were down about 8%. Where are they sitting there now? They are sitting there even more than that. They're down about 8.25%. Ford posted some good numbers. They were up nearly 8%. Now they're up 7%, 6.7%. Mattel hit their numbers. They were up 6%. Now they're up 8.5%. And Grubhub continues to blast. There's our bell. Getting a little bit of lag here on the data feed. All right, so let's see what happens today. Grubhub is up 6%. See if we get anything. We will be patient today. Remember, it is Friday, not the day to push things, but if we are here